Hey everybody, welcome back to Real Teal Jeep. Got a good video today. We have got these 9-inch LED color changing RGB headlights for the 2018-2020 Jeep JL. These aren't the 7-inch ones that I usually see with an adapter ring. These are true 9-inch lights. I got these from Amazon from, I believe it's COWONE. That's how you pronounce it. There's a couple different people. Looks like they're all selling these exact same lights. If I think they're the same, I'll put them in the description too. I paid about, I think it was about $350 for these plus tax, and took forever to come in. Amazon's being slow to ship things right now. But let's go ahead and open this box and see exactly what you get. I think this box is probably the same for the ones that aren't color changing. It doesn't say anything about it being color changing on this box, but I have opened it and tried it out already, so let's just do a little unboxing, see what we have here. See, this is the side of the box: high beam, low beam, and the running lights. Here we have them covered in this protective film so they don't get scratched. Very pretty lights. I say pretty, they're not really manly, but they are very pretty. Almost look like irises. Underneath these lights we have the color changing box, RGB control box there that'll hook up to the fused spot in a ground. Here's the back of these lights. You can see they have the mounts on the three corners. I believe this is supposed to be perhaps some kind of drain where you can get some moisture out. Got your light plug here and then your RGB plug in there. I think these are going to be really nice. I'll go ahead and plug them up into the battery and just show you just a little sneak peek of what they're going to do. Alright, you can see here I've just kind of put it on the rainbow color glow. We'll probably have it the same color as the Jeep, kind of a teal color. This thing has so many settings you'll get lost in them though. So far it looks really good. Probably hard to tell on camera, but the colors are just extremely vibrant. It's really not like anything I've personally seen. I think they're going to look great. Go ahead and start kind of disassembling and we'll see what it looks like. Here we have both the lights side by side, very similar in size, but definitely look a lot different as far as construction and style. Definitely looking forward to seeing what this is going to look like. If you look at the side here, the new LED lights are considerably thinner than these halogen lights. I don't have the stock LEDs. These are halogen, so I have a big difference in size, which is going to be nice. I couldn't take off my grill all the way because my winch is in the way, so hopefully this will be a little easier to squeeze in there. Alright, here's a little sneak peek of the difference between the two lights. I really can't even compare with the style. I've just got it kind of just on a random color changing shift there. Definitely looks meaner. We'll check out the low beams now. Alright, here are the low beams when I hit the unlock. You can tell which one is brighter by the massive glare on my camera. I try to just make sure it's not a fluke no matter which angle I hit it. Goodness gracious. So I would say it's definitely brighter. As far as beam pattern on the, see, it's pretty similar. Got the door open. Close that. Get a better look at the beam pattern difference. Seems to be hitting about the same height. Not too bad as far as the line, how sharp it is. So, alright, here it is, installed. Looks really mean. It wasn't too bad of an install. Like I said, this thing changes 1 billion million colors. Wired it into the heated seat fuse, so anytime this thing comes on, the engine turns over, these lights will be on, unless you turn off with the app. Really cool. We'll get you some videos of it in the daylight as well. Here we go again, kind of a little darker. I know the video is not going to do it justice, but it looks amazing. Let's turn on the low beams. Here is our low beam pattern. Nice straight line, really. Looks off way more of a light than the stock ones, most definitely. And we'll turn on the brights. Once again, looks great. Way brighter than stock. And of course, I turn on my fog lights. I've gotten the Oedro bumper. A little bit more there. And then turn on all the light bars. And now it's daylight. Check a look with all of it lit up. Can't really see the, you can see the color in person, but not on the camera when it's all lit up. It looks good. My wife is very happy with it. That's what matters. It is hers after all. Take a look at the low beams from here without everything else on. So it's still really bright. And then we'll do the high beams. That was the high beams. I knew that was pretty bright. Alright, here's the low beams. So, looking pretty good. Here's what they look like just off. Got a decent amount of light. Kind of mimic daylight a little bit, maybe. Completely changes the look of this Jeep. 100%. I'll turn on the glows as well with the light source on. These glows are quite bright even in the light. Not exactly sure in direct sunlight what it'll look like, but looking great so far. Right here it is in the daylight. A little bit shady, but still you can see it great. Looks wonderful. Really pleased with it. Hope y'all like it. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.